What's up with these drinking birds? They're a children's toy / chemistry experiment. And they're pretty cool. They seem to be going on forever. Let's see. What's that blue fluid? Is that blue fluid going up and down in the body? Seems like when the blue fluid gets high, the head gets heavier and it goes down and takes a drink. Okay, the heads are a felt and they get wet when they dip in there because this is just water. And you know how when you get out of the bathtub or the swimming pool or the hot tub and you get cold? That's evaporative cooling. Water comes off of you and you get cold. The bottom is another ball, and it's not getting cold and hot, it's staying kind of warm. So there's a ball at the bottom, ball at the top. Ball at the top is cold, evaporative cooling. The ball at the bottom has the fluid that seems to be getting sucked up this tube. Okay, well, it's the temperature differential between the head and the butt that is this thing called a thermodynamic system, and it's changing the, here's some more physics for you, the center of gravity of the thing. So when the fluid's high, it's dipping, the fluid drips down, the cold head gets it a chance to pull that fluid back up, and they keep going. That's so cool. The drinking bird.